Okay. So, Mom. Wait, are you hitting record? Okay, Mom, pick a card. Okay, sign it, please.
7 of spades.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no. That's about half, right? Right here? Okay, I'm gonna take it and just stick it in right there. Okay, and now snap, Mom. It only works when you do it. Snap. And now it pops to the top.
Wow, that's my card.
Okay, and I'm gonna take it and do that. Now snap. Okay.
There's
Comes
my
to the
card
top.
again.
Now cut the cards. Flip over your card. So
That's
that's
my
your
card.
Okay. And now I'm gonna shuffle it and lose it in the deck.
Okay.
And now snap. And it comes to the top.
That's my card.
And now I'm gonna push it in. And now snap again. And it comes to the top.
That's my card.
And now okay.
What's up, Marcus? Wow, you moving in?
No, it's just my sleeping bag's so good.
Sweet.
Okay, so now I'm gonna snap and it doesn't work. Now, Dad, you snap
Me?
You
Yeah.
snap.
and it doesn't work.
No.
But Mom, what? Oh, whoops! Turned over 2 cards.
Oh, yeah.
And now, Mom, when you snap,
Oh.
comes to the top.
Hi.
Okay, now I'm gonna take your card and I'm
Yeah.
gonna fold it in half like that.
Okay. That's
And
my
now
card.
I'm gonna take it and now I'm gonna put it right here, and that's your card because it has the fold in it, right?
Right.
And now I'm gonna just snap, and it pops up, and that's your card.
That's my card.
Okay, and now before the trick, I took a card. Wait, where'd the paper go? Oh, I took a card from another deck because I have 2 of these decks,
Okay.
and I'm gonna set it right there.
Yeah.
But so what I did, I took it out, and that's like my prediction card.
Okay.
So do
Oh,
you
yeah,
think
I'm gonna ask for a
that
contact
in
lens color.
any way that could be your card?
No, because my card was over.
Okay.
You did that
Or
before.
I'm gonna just
And my card was in the
take the
deck.
paper clip off.
Yeah.
Now put the paper clip in my pocket. And now
That's my card.
yep.
Well done, Jacob Ryan.
Dad, stop recording.